Step up your style game with new Balance Men's BB80 V1, court swagger meets everyday comfort. Court-inspired design, everyday swagger. Take your shoe game to the next level with the new Balance Men's BB80 V1 sneaker, where basketball-inspired style meets modern-day versatility. The durable leather and synthetic upper bring that classic, sporty vibe, while the sleek silhouette ensures you look on point, whether you're running errands or owning the court. Sleek, durable, and versatile, these sneakers are built for those who demand more from their footwear. Comfort that feels custom-made. Say goodbye to breaking in woes. The BB80 V1 fits like a glove right out of the box, thanks to its adjustable lace closure for a tailored fit. The foam footbed and removable insole provide next-level cushioning, making them perfect for long days on your feet. Got wide feet? No problem, users rave about the roomy yet supportive design, ensuring all-day comfort without pinching or squeezing. It's premium comfort that seamlessly blends performance and style for any occasion. Traction you can count on. These sneakers don't just look good, they grip like a champ. The rubber outsole with superior traction ensures you stay grounded, whether you're navigating slick floors or casual outdoor terrain. With a design made for movement and durability, you'll have confidence in every step. Forget slipping or sliding, this is stability you can trust, all while staying on trend. Whether for casual outings, gym sessions, or even a quick pickup game, these shoes have got you covered. Built to last, built to impress. Crafted with premium leather and synthetic materials, the BB80 V1 combines durability with lightweight comfort. Whether you're hitting the pavement or the hardwood, these kicks hold up under pressure while keeping your feet cool with polyester mesh lining. Spot clean friendly and made for wear and tear, these sneakers are as easy to maintain as they are to rock. Loved by customers for their stylish silhouette and quality, they're more than just footwear, they're an upgrade to your lifestyle. Affordable luxury that delivers. Why settle for less when you can have it all? The BB80 V1 offers premium features at a wallet-friendly price, making it a no-brainer investment in your style and comfort. It's a perfect blend of court-inspired swagger, everyday practicality, and long-lasting performance. With rave reviews for their comfort, color options, and top-notch design, these sneakers are more than just a purchase, they're a statement of confidence and style.